Hello, this is your teacher Henry. I want to show you how to use the coffee savings calculator on your website to work on your group activity. First, you type in dollartimes.com. To open the web page and click on coffee cost calculator. Then you click on calculate to see how much you will save. This is the defaulted screen, but we are going to use a shorter period of time, 1 year, and make a few changes. So please go back a page, because for our group activity, we're going to replace 5 cups with 1 year instead of 5, and 0.25 instead of 4. Okay, I've made the changes and I'm going to click calculate, and the savings is $287. You will do the activity in your groups, so work together, follow the instructions to save money. Thank you.